Welcome back, Cloud Cadets. In this video, we'll get an overview of the entire platform, and we'll also focus on some quality of life improvements we can do. For my own sanity, I'm going to start with one quality of life improvement directly here. The first thing we do, if we now look to the top right corner, you see this icon here called User Settings. If we click on it, there are a few things we can modify here that is personal to our account, and at a later point we will look a little deeper in some of them, like these last two. But the first thing here, we're going to go into theme, and we're going to select dark because my eyes were starting to bleed. Now I'm in a better mood. Now let's navigate into our project called Sandbox. First thing we see here is nothing interesting, but we will make it more interesting as we progress. But the first thing we'll watch is to the left here is our, I suppose we call it our sidebar. And we see there are 5 sections. We have the overview, we have the boards, we have the repos, pipelines, test plans, artifacts. And I just noticed I can't count. It's 6 sections. And in the first section, this is where we are at by default. It's called a summary. And it will be populated later as we start filling things in. And to the right up here, we can invite other people to work with us on a project. And if we go to the dashboards here, in this section, we will be able to add some widgets that gives us some detailed information about our project and things going on around there. And at first you click here, add a widget, but once you do, you won't see this button and you will go to the edit here, just so you're aware. And if we click add a widget, we see there's like a tile grid system and we can move things. For now, I'm just going to move one thing here. I could press the add, it automatically moves there, or you could drag it and you see the regions where it will be dropped is highlighted. So I'll put it here. And right now there's nothing, but eventually we'll see tasks that are assigned to us. But for now, I'm going to keep it simple. In another video, we're going to explore this widget system a little more. For now, we'll click done editing, keep it as it is. Just another point here is that you will be able to have more than one dashboard. But for most of your cases, you will probably just have one, just so you're aware. Now, the third subsection in overview is called wiki. And here you can have information about your project, subcategories for meetings and schedule, anything really, anything that helps you. And if I click the create project wiki, we get one default here. This is the one that's going to be called the home. Let's say our project is called Sandbox. And this part down here is formatted in Markdown. So we have some options here, but if you are a bit more accustomed to Markdown, you can create a header by just typing one of these and saying Sandbox as the title. And to the right, as we see here, we can see a live preview. And for example, let's say I want to, hey team, you see we can modify pretty much else. For now, I'll just click save, and then I'll click close, and we see here now to the left, kind of a sidebar view. And here we have this Sandbox, the home, you could call it like the home document, the first thing you see when you get in here. But you can add more, you can add new pages. Like I said, one for schedule. And we'll just click save and close. And maybe you want one that has subpages. For example, say you have one for team meetings. We have one for client meetings as well. It depends what kind of project you're working on. And for me, I would like to move this one up there. And you see you can do that. And here, if I click on this more options, there's something called add subpage. And maybe you name it with kind of like a date system and pretend it was yesterday. And then you can fill in whatever you want in here. Close, and we see what happens here. So you can condense it and expand it. So there's quite a lot of things you can do here, which are quite useful for a team of many, even for yourself. If you want to put down your notes in a place that is accessible from anywhere. So now we'll leave the overview section a bit, and we'll go into boards, and we're going to dive deep into this in another video, because there's so much to cover here that is useful. But here we will have our tasks, and this brings us back to when we created the project. I told you we didn't get to choose some advanced options. I think that's by default for new ones, or maybe I'm just being punished. But if I click on this new work item here, these are the 3 defaults that come with that kind of default project, these 3 templates. But there are other templates when we create a new project that will give us more defaults. And of course, we can create our own types here as well. But come on, yeah, let's save some time, right? So we're going to show that soon. But for now, just going to close this. And as I said, we'll delve deeper here. We're going to have boards, we'll have backlogs, sprints. This is the entire Agile workflow can be used here. Or Scrum, that some other are more used to calling it. The definitions, some people mix it up. Anyway, let's move to section 3, repos. Here, you will be able to use Azure DevOps like GitHub, a remote repository, but we will be able to have multiple repositories, not just one. And it is from here we're going to create this, and I'm going to show this in a later video as we delve deeper into it. So let's leave it for now. And then we move to pipelines. These 4 sections are probably what you're going to use most as a regular developer in many of the specialities. But here we'll be creating pipelines, build validation, release pipelines, deployment, anything. And this will also delve deeper in another video. Sorry, everyone, patience. And then we have 2 more here, which we will get to eventually, especially if you have testers. But for now, we'll leave those 2 sections so we don't get confused. I think most of you are already, maybe you're stuck on this project template. So I'm going to go back to my organization by clicking here. I'm going to click this new project here. Let's give it a more interesting, let's call it Cloud Cadets. And now we see there is a new section here that we didn't see earlier called Advanced. And in it, we can choose our version control, which is apparently just one thing we can choose. Maybe it's different with more premium payment setups and that. But for now, that's okay with us. And to the right here, we have what's called a work item process. And it was this basic that sandbox project used. But here, we can see that there are 4 types. But the one we are interested in is called Agile. So we'll click that. We click Create. We'll wait, because we're ever so patient. And we are navigated here by default. And if I go now to boards, and I click here New Work Item, we see a lot more templates. So this is the project we're going to be mostly going through, not that sandbox. We'll find some use for it, or sacrifice it to some old forgotten god for a bug-less experience. And lastly, we want to focus on project settings as an overview. We're going to delve deeper on this later for other use cases. But here we will be able to customize quite a few things. Perhaps this will be one of our interests. We will set this up later. A webhook, for example, for Discord or Slack. When someone creates a pull request, we are informed in the channel. And there are quite a lot of things we're going to do here. And perhaps another interesting part here is this section. It's called Parallel Jobs. And I'm going to show in another video how we set this up. But to use our pipelines in the beginning as we're learning, we want to use their Microsoft hosted agent to build and validate and release whatever we're trying to achieve. Right now we see we have nothing. But once we set this up later, we will have up to, I think, 1800 minutes. But we'll get to that in another video, so this doesn't get too long, which it already is. Let's leave it for here now. Until next uplink, Cloud Cadets, take care.